So once you've created your Flip account and you've created a group, you're going to need to start putting students or teachers or whoever group you're working with into that group so that they can be part of the discussions and the topics that you post. So just from the info.flip website, you can use the icon with the two people to click here and then just enter the code. So every group is created with a unique code. You could just have the code given to your students or to your colleagues. They put it there and they're automatically part of the group. That's not the only way that you can add them, though. So from the group, I also have this lovely little arrow out, which if I hover over says share. So I can also add people with this entire link. So flip.com slash and then the unique code associated with your group. You can send that link out and it will allow people into the group as long as you have it set to anyone with the link. So if you gave the link to your students or to your colleagues, they logged in, that they would automatically be joining the group. Now, you could also, if you wanted to tighten that security, say only people you approve, and then you would have to add in usernames and other ways to only allow the specific people in you want. Now, if you're a district that uses Google Classroom, you can easily connect through Google Classroom and send it out to that to your students in a classroom. You could invite your students via email if you have a ways to communicate with them through email. The other thing that you're going to see is that if you want to create rosters automatically, if you're using Canvas or Google Classroom, you can connect and integrate the two. So I'm seeing a little sunshine with some glasses at the top right. I'm going to come to my settings here, and then I'll get some choices across the top, one of them being integrations. So under integrations, I can connect my Google Classroom or my Canvas if you're in a district that uses either of those tools. So based on the age of your students, based on the needs that you have for how quickly they need to get into the class, either integrating it into your LMS if you're in Classroom or Canvas, giving them the code, or using the link to invite them in. All of those are really successful ways to get members into your groups.